Sorry? What we call the mom's food.
Oh, they.
To help for digestion. They can eat like some small leaf, like the how we call like the young leaf or like the baby leaf. Yes, the grass. But they will help. They will grab the mom food to help for the digestion.
Okay.
Yeah. Because another two elephants. One called Mẹ Kampan, the one we feed her earlier. And another one on the right side, that elephant called Mẹ was Mẹ Malay Thong. Malay Thong is the like what we call like nanny of the baby boy.
A nanny.
A nanny.
Well, they have like.
They'll weigh more than you.
Oh yeah. And then we had young ones about this time, and they were coming over.
They just want to play, but sometimes it's too strong for us.
Yeah, well, they don't know that we're not very strong compared to them.
Someone we are weak, we gentle.
He ran to there by himself, and then he turned. Mom, and ran in back.
Oh yeah, she's gonna take care of me.
Step in the trunk. Sometimes they roll the trunk, put in the lung, very big. They cannot breathe, they might die. Standing up. And then he take her and the boy walking from there to here. Because it's a manner for the baby only the until like 3 to 4 months old, they can grab the mom food